Yes, today we are starting with the new topic, that is probability. Earlier we have done addition rule of probability. This time we are having conditional probability in our syllabus. So next topic which we are going to start will be conditional probability. Earlier you have done the addition rule, PA union B is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. That formula you have already done. And now we are starting with the conditional probability. First definition you write down, then we will think about what the formula for it. Let A and B, please write down. Let A and B be two events. Let A and B be two events associated with a random experiment. Associated with a random experiment. Then the probability of occurrence of event A, then probability of occurrence of event A under the condition that B has already occurred, and PB is not zero. And PB is not zero is called conditional probability. And it is denoted by PA by B. And it is denoted by PA by B. Denoted by PA by B. So what is conditional probability? A and B are two events we have. We are calculating probability of happening of A when B has already happened. एक event हो चुकी है, दूसरी होनी है. So probability of A by B means probability of happening of A when B has already happened is denoted by PE by B. This is what? Probability of A event A when B has already happened. This is called PA by B, and keep in mind PB should not be zero. And we have if PB by A, what does it mean? This shows probability of happening of B when A is already happened. In this case, already happened is A, and now B should take place. So PB by A is probability of happening of B when A is already happened. That means the B is depending on A is depending on B. How it is depending? I'll take an example, then it will be more clear. Write a question, please. Let there be a bag. Let there be a bag containing 5 white and 4 red balls. 5 white and 4 red balls. 2 balls are drawn one by one. 2 balls are drawn one by one. Without replacement. One by one, we are drawing 2 balls and we are taking out 1 ball, not replacing, then taking out second. So 1 by 1 without replacement. where A is the event, drawing a white ball in first draw. Drawing a white ball in first draw. B, drawing a red ball in second draw. Then question is find probability of B by A. My question is find probability of B by A. देखो भाई, what he's saying what is the probability? This is a bag, we have 5 white and 4 red balls. From this we want probability of a red ball in the second draw when I know that first ball is already gone as white. Means आपने पहली बॉल ड्रॉ कर ली, वो white है, आपको पता है, आपने उसको वापस नहीं रखा है. Now taking out the second ball should be red. तो अब red ball की probability क्या होगी वो आपको बताना है. So now one thing, what procedure has happened already? कौन सा प्रोसीजर हो चुका है कि आपने एक बॉल बैग में से ड्रॉ की है और वो कैसी बॉल है? व्हाइट बॉल है फर्स्ट ड्रॉ में. इसका मतलब आपके बैग में अब 4 व्हाइट हैं और 4 रेड बॉल्स. ये इफेक्ट पड़ गया आपका इसका, क्योंकि ए इवेंट ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. ए इवेंट आई टोल्ड यू इट इज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. तो ए अगर हो चुकी है इसका मतलब इसमें से बैग में से एक व्हाइट कम हो गई. That means now we have 4 white and 4 red, and now what I want, the second ball which you draw must be a red ball. So red ball के chance क्या हो गए? 4 out of total is 8. So the probability of this comes out to be 4 by 8. This is called conditional probability. Probability of happening of B when A is already happened. Is that clear? इसी में अगर मैं change करूँ, drawing a white ball in first draw and drawing a white ball again in second draw. तो अब P B by A में क्या चेंज आएगा भाई? What will be the probability in that case? ये 5 बॉल आपकी व्हाइट हैं, 4 रेड हैं. पहली बॉल आपने व्हाइट ड्रॉ की है, तो ये व्हाइट ड्रॉ की तो -1 यहां से आया, 4 व्हाइट आ गई, 4 रेड आ गई. अब आप क्या चाह रहे हैं? सेकेंड वन मस्ट बी व्हाइट ओनली. तो इन 4 में से आना चाहिए, टोटल 8, सो 4 by 8. अगर दोनों रेड हो, ये रेड हो और ये भी रेड, तो क्या चेंज आएगा? B by A, सेकेंड रेड व्हेन फर्स्ट इज ऑलरेडी रेड. पहली आपने रेड निकाल ली है, इसका मतलब एक रेड इसमें से कम होके 3 रेड रहेगी. व्हाइट आपके पास है 5, तो अब की बार P B by A अगर आप निकालेंगे, दैट मींस सेकंड रेड बॉल व्हेन आई नो दैट फर्स्ट इज रेड, तो क्या आ जाएगी प्रोबेबिलिटी? 3 by 8. दैट इज द आंसर. So this is totally depending on what the first event has taken place. और first event जो हो रही है, that is affecting the event 2 because you are not replacing it back. आपसे कहा गया है कि आप दूसरा बॉल जब ड्रॉ करेंगे तो पहली बॉल जो आपने ड्रॉ की है that you are not replacing back. That's why it is called conditional probability. Conditional क्यों? क्योंकि second is depending on the first. Second condition is totally depending on first. क्योंकि फर्स्ट विल डिसाइड कि यहाँ पर कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर रह जाएगा या कितनी बॉल्स आपकी कौन से कलर की बचेंगी, एंड देन यू विल बी टेकिंग आउट. Another question, write down please. Consider a random experiment. Consider a random experiment of throwing a pair of dice. Of throwing a pair of dice. Pair of dice को अगर टॉस करेंगे तो टोटल केसेस 36 होंगे. That you should keep in mind. Where A is the event The sum of the number on two dice is 8. The sum of numbers on two dice is 8. And B says even number on first die. My question is, find out what is P A by B and what is P B by B. Two dice are thrown together. Okay, two dice are thrown together. A says the sum of the number on the two dice is 8. आपको ये मान A आपकी इवेंट है जिसमें कि सम 8 आ रहा है. B ये कह रहा है इवन नंबर ऑन फर्स्ट डाई आ रहा है. I want A by B. A by B का मतलब now I want the probability of getting sum 8. A. When we know that first die is an even number. आपकी पहली डाई आपको पता है, आपको दो डाइस आपने टॉस करवाई गई और आपको पहली डाई दिखा दी गई, दूसरी नहीं मालूम, और साथ में ये कहा गया कि सम आपका 8 आ रहा है. Then what is the probability of A when B has already happened? Means we know that when we have tossed the two dice, first die has given even number. What is the probability that sum comes out to be 8? When B by A I calculate, what it will show? I know that sum is 8. What is the probability that first die is an even number? अब उल्टा हो जाए. So to get this, what we do first, we find out the cases of set A. A के cases क्या बनेंगे? Sum of the dice is coming 8. 8 का sum कब आएगा? या तो 2 6 पे आएगा, or it will be 3 5, or it will be 4 4, or it will come out to be 5 3, or it will come out to be 6. Sum of the number on two dice is 8. ये आपके 5 केस बन रहे हैं जिसमें सम आपका 8 है. यहां कह रहा है इवन नंबर ऑन फर्स्ट डाई. इवन नंबर ऑन फर्स्ट डाई, फर्स्ट डाई पे इवन होना चाहिए, बाकी आपका कुछ भी हो. तो इवन नंबर क्या हो सकते हैं? फर्स्ट डाई पे 2 हो सकता है, 4 हो सकता है, 6 हो सकता है. तो केसेस बनाओ. Even number on first die, so it can be 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then comes out to be 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. और तीसरा हमारे पास आ रहा है 6 1, 6 2 till 6 6. These are how many cases? 18 cases here. Here we have 5 cases. Now they want what is P A by B. When I say A by B means B has already happened. B already हो चुका है. B already हो चुका है, इसका मतलब फर्स्ट डाई पे आपका इवन नंबर आ रहा है. When you have first die as even number means out of these 18 cases, one has already taken place. Means total cases अब की बार हमारे कितने हैं? 18. Because this has already taken place. इन 18 में से कोई केस आएगा. So we will say total cases will be 18. Now out of these 18, what you want, because it is already decided that first die has given even number. First die even number है, इसका मतलब इन 18 में से एक केस आ गया है. What is the probability of A? A क्या कह रहा है? Sum of the number on two dice must be 8. इनमें से वो केस निकालो जो sum 8 देंगे. ये ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. Now the sum to be 8. ऐसे कितने केस हैं इसमें जरा देखो. ये रहा 2 6 वाला केस है जो 8 सम दे रहा है. दूसरा आपका 4 4 वाला है, वो ये रहा. और तीसरा हमारा आ रहा है 6 2 वाला, ये 3. These are actually 3 cases common in the two. इन दोनों के ये कॉमन केसेस होंगे हमेशा. कितने केसेस फेवर कर रहे हैं? 3. 12 cases are already taken place. Out of 12, or sorry, 18, one has already taken place. So total cases are 18. And among them, now how many are favorable to us? Among 18, we have only 3 favorable. क्योंकि अब हमें sum क्या चाहिए? 8 चाहिए. ये तो वो केस हैं जो ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं इसका मतलब फर्स्ट डाई पे इवन नंबर आ चुका है. तो ये 18 केसेस में से कोई एक केस हो चुका है. इसका मतलब टोटल केसेस जो मेरे पास है वो 18 है. And now I want that the probability of getting sum as 8. 8 sum आना चाहिए. 8 sum आने के चांस हुए 2, 6, 4, 4, 6, 2. 3 केसेस हमारे पास आने चाहिए. So it will be 3 by 18. That is P A by B. Same way when I say P B by A, you calculate. B by A means A is already happened. A has already happened means sum 8 आ चुका है. सम 8 आ चुका है तो कितने केस हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. आउट ऑफ दीज 5 केसेस वन हैज टू अकर. सो आउट ऑफ 5 केसेस, टोटल केसेस आर 5 नाउ. PB by A, in which B will be this A will say that sum is 8. 8 के केवल 5 केस हैं तो डिवाइडेड बाय 5. Now what I want, sum has already 8, we know it, means इनमें से कोई एक केस आया है. Now I want the probability of getting first die as even number. अब ये इनमें से कोई एक केस है और अब हमें क्या चाहिए? फर्स्ट डाई उसमें इवन नंबर आनी चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट डाई इवन नंबर एक ये देता है, एक ये दे रहा है, एक ऐसे 3 ही केस हैं जिसमें भी सम तो 8 आ चुका है. नाउ वी वांट इवन नंबर ऑन फर्स्ट डाई. सो इट विल बी कमिंग 3 by 5. ये अब नोट करो, यहाँ 3 केसेस वो हैं जो आपके यहाँ भी 3 आया है और यहाँ भी 3 आया है. What that shows that it is the common cases among the two. From this, now I can generate a formula because every time it is not easy to write these cases. हर बार ये केसेस लिखना हमारे लिए आसान नहीं होगा. हमने एग्जांपल ऐसे लिए जिसमें हम केसेस लिख पा रहे हैं, but it is not possible every time to get the cases here. So just to get the formula here, अगर formula में याद है तो then we can go it directly without writing these cases. इसके लिए formula कैसे होगा वो देखो. PA by B, we have done this as 3 by 18 as the answer. We got it. Can you write this as 3 by 36 by 18 by 36? Can you write it? 3 by 18 is here. Out of that, 3 by 36 or 18 by 36 I can write. 3 by 36 and this is 18 by 36. 3 by 36 क्या देता है आपको? वो केस देता है जिसमें कि ये दोनों कंडीशन एक साथ फुलफिल हो रही है. 446226, 446226. Sum is 8 and even number on first die. तो ये आपको क्या दे रहा है? एक्चुअली ये पूरा मिला के this is giving probability of happening of A and B. So PA intersection B. So the numerator is saying PA intersection B. 18 by 36, ये 18 केसेस हैं. किसको फेवर कर रहे हैं? B को. और by 36 टोटल केसेस से डिवाइड किया है, so it will come out to be PB. So now you have a formula of PA by B is PA intersection B by PB. Probability of happening of A and B together divided by probability of B. जो यहाँ आ रहा है वो नीचे आएगा. इसी तरह से इसको भी कर सकते हैं. 3 by 36, 5 by 36. 3 by 36 will be what? It is PA intersection B. Divided by 5 by 36. 5 ये वाले 5 केस हैं, A को फेवर कर रहे हैं तो we will say this probability of. So now you got the formula. What that formula is? PA by B. You remember PA intersection by PB. PB by A when you take, then it will be PA intersection B by PA. So numerator in both the cases are A intersection B, but divided by whatever happened, उसकी probability नीचे आएगी. That is PB and this is P. So this is the formula now you should remember. And in this case, I told you PB B is coming in the denominator, so PB should not be 0. और यहाँ पर PA नीचे आ रहा है, इसका मतलब PA 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ये मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन में शुरू में बताया. So that you should give. Now write down questions on it. A set is given, a die is rolled. Write down simple question now. A die is rolled. Consider the following events. A event है हमारे पास 1, 3 and 5. Event B is 2, 3. My question is find out what is PA by B. ये आपको निकालना है PA by B और यहाँ हमारे पास इसका फॉर्मूला हमें मालूम है PA इंटरसेक्शन B by B. Can you write down the intersection of the two? Yes, what is the intersection in this case? 3 is only the common term, so we will say 3. And what are the total cases this time? A die is tossed. इसका मतलब sample space में कितने cases हैं? 6 cases. So can you write what is probability of A intersection B? A case आपको favor कर रहा है, that is 3. So I should say 1 by total cases 6 divided by PB. B को कितने केस फेवर कर रहे हैं? 2. So we will say 2 by 6. Your answer is coming 1 by 2. If I say you write down PB by A, please do it now. PB by A. Formula is again PA intersection B by PA will come this time.
So 1 by 3.
ऊपर तो आएगा 1 by 6, इसको तो चेंज कर नहीं सकते. PA कितना हो जाएगा आपकी बार? 3 by 6. PA कितने केसेस फेवर कर रहे हैं? एक को 3. So we will say the answer come out to be 1 by 3. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
One more event is there. C now. C is given as 2, 3, 4, 5. And now my question is find P A by C and P C by A. Please do it. What
So 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. A by C. 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
B by A.
2 by 3.
Yes.
C by A.
ये आएगा PA इंटरसेक्शन C by PC और यहाँ क्या आएगा PA इंटरसेक्शन C by PA. फॉर्मूले तो यही रहेंगे. I go for A intersection C. These two. What is common? 3, 5. Then what this will come? PA intersection C. 2 by 6 by PC. 4 by 6. So it will come out to be 2 by 4. Your answer is coming half. Then we go for this PA intersection C. Again 2 by 6 by PA. 3 by 6. Your answer is 2 by 8. Clear? Any doubt? इसी में एक और क्वेश्चन नोट करो. PA union B by C. PA union B by C. Calculate this. तो अब इसमें क्या चाहिएगा? A union B भी चाहिएगा. A union B हो जाएगा 1, 2, 3 and 5. And now I want this. PA union B by C. What the formula says? P intersection of these two, that is A union B intersection C by PC. A यूनियन बी और इसका इंटरसेक्शन हम सी के साथ निकाल रहे हैं, तो A यूनियन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी कितना आएगा भाई? A यूनियन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी, A यूनियन बी ये रहा और C ये रहा, कॉमन बोलो भाई।
235.
Yes, 235. So what this result comes out to be? 3 cases by 6, and then PC 4 by 6. Your answer come out to be 3 by 4. Yes, is it clear? Next question I
Yes,
got.
sir.
Next question I got. A coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. Find what is PE by F, where E stands for head on third toss. Head on third toss. And F is head on first 2 tosses. Yes, please. PE by F you should calculate. A coin is tossed 3 times. कितने total cases बनेंगे भाई? एक कॉइन को आप 3 बार टॉस कर रहे हैं, टोटल केसेस क्या होंगे?
27.
हाँ, कॉइन को आपने 3 बार टॉस किया है, तो कितने टोटल केसेस होंगे? एक बार टॉस करके टोटल आउटकम्स 2 होते हैं, नेक्स्ट में भी 2 होते हैं, थर्ड में भी 2 होते हैं, टोटल 8 केसेस बनेंगे। और ये आपने लिखना भी सीखा है लास्ट ईयर। हेड हेड हेड, हेड हेड टेल, हेड टेल हेड, टेल हेड हेड, then comes tail tail head, tail head tail, then head tail tail, then all the 3 must be tail. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cases are there. Case for E, head on third toss. थर्ड टॉस में हेड एक तो यहां आ रहा है, एक यहां आ रहा है, और एक यहां और एक यहां, 4 केसेस आपके बन रहे हैं हेड ऑन थर्ड। Then head on first 2 tosses. Head on first 2 tosses. देखो एक ये रहा, एक ये रहा, 2, बस 2 ही केसेस आएंगे। H H H H H E. Total cases are already 8. Number of elements in sample space is 8. Now I want PE by F. So what formula says PE intersection F by PF? PE intersection F by PF. First thing you calculate E intersection F. E और F का intersection, एक ये एक ही है कॉमन, so what I should write as E intersection F, 1 out of 8 cases divided by PF, F के कितने केस आ रहे हैं 2, so I should say 2 by 8, answer come out to be 1 by 2. Clear? Second part of the question. Again we are tossing the coin 3 times. Find out P, E by F, where E stand for at least 2 heads. And F will be at most 2 heads. करिए. Find out P, E by F, where E is at least 2 head and F will be at most 2 head.
So is it 1?
It's 1. चलिए देख लेते हैं. एटलीस्ट 2 हेड, कम से कम 2 हेड होने चाहिए. 2 हेड मींस 2 हेड या 3 हेड. 2 हेड के केसेस ले लें, या फिर तीनों हेड ले लें. इट इज एटलीस्ट 2 हेड. This shows at most 2 head means maximum 2 head होनी चाहिए. Means कोई भी हेड ना हो, एक हेड हो और 2 हेड. कोई हेड नहीं means all are tail. फिर एक हेड H T T H T H T H H. और भी आएंगे. At most 2 heads, 2 हेड और आ सकते हैं. This one. And now we go for E intersection F. E और F का intersection. E और F में intersection बोलो भाई क्या आएगा? ये वाला कॉमन आ रहा है. फिर ये भी कॉमन आ रहा है H T H. T H H भी आ रहा है. That's all. Now what is the probability here? P intersection F कितना हुआ? 3 cases out of 8. By PF, PF कितना आ रहा है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is coming 7 by 8. 1 कैसे बता रहे थे? क्या बताया था आंसर?
सर वो थोड़ी सी गलती कर दी.
चलिए ठीक है. 3 by 7 is the answer. Third part of the same question, write down please. At most 2 tail. And F says at least 1 tail. Please do it now. बोलो भाई. एट मोस्ट 2 टेल मीन्स मैक्सिमम 2 टेल हो सकते हैं. इसका मतलब नो टेल मीन्स ऑल हेड. वन टेल, टेल हेड हेड, head tail head, head head tail. Then two, tail tail head, tail head tail, head tail tail. At least one tail, कम से कम एक टेल होना चाहिए. एक टेल का मतलब टेल हेड हेड, हेड टेल हेड, head head tail. Then two tails, one two tails, TTH, THT, HTT. And then at least 2 tail था तो maximum 3 tail.